Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of S. Beyond Influence. Today we are going to delve into the journey of lifestyle, fashion, and talk about a creator that has been in the industry before content creator and influencer was even a thing. Welcome Hasini, so glad you're on S.
Thank you so much, and I'm so glad. Yeah. What an introduction.
Let me start by saying you look lovely today.
Thank you so much.
సో హాసిని మనం ముందు అన్ని మాట్లాడే ముందు సో వీ వర్ డిస్కసింగ్ రైట్ యూ
Correct.
డిడ్ ద కాంటెంట్ వెన్ కాంటెంట్ వాజ్ ఈవెన్ అ థింగ్
Yeah.
సో యూ స్టార్టెడ్ వెన్ ఎవ్రీబడి వాజ్ జస్ట్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంటింగ్ అసలు ఇదేంటి చేద్దామా వద్దా అనే స్టేజ్ నుండి ఐ మీన్ అప్పటి నుండి యూఆర్ స్టిల్ డూయింగ్ కాంటెంట్ సో అసలు ఈ జర్నీ ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అయింది హౌ డిడ్ యూ ఈవెన్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు కాంటెంట్ క్రియేషన్
Correct. So it didn't even think, and I didn't even know that there would be a career out of this. When I went to bachelor's to Europe, so I used to post OOTD pictures and travel vlogs just like that. Whatever I wear, I used to be very confident and used to post, and that's how I gained followers. And then after COVID, I mean, like, why not a career out of it? So I used to post my outfit videos and all of that, and I don't know, somehow brands actually came to me, and they wanted content for their what do we say, sorry, for their what do we say,
ప్రోడక్ట్స్
no, yeah, products with exposure,
Exposure,
for their
yes.
exposure, right? So yeah, that's how it's working well now.
సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇందాక జర్నీలో యువర్ సేయింగ్ కి ఫస్ట్ బ్రాండ్ కొలాబరేషన్ సో హౌ లాంగ్ డిడ్ ఇట్ టేక్ ఫర్ యూ టు ల్యాండ్ యువర్ ఫస్ట్ కొలాబరేషన్ వచ్చినప్పుడు వాట్ వాజ్ యువర్ ఫీలింగ్
So initially I used to get few, but those are not very brand collaborations. It's a story or something like that. But it almost took me 2 to 3 years to get proper brand collaboration. So yeah, it's a hard work, I can say. Yeah.
నైస్ సో ఇప్పుడు నా దట్ యూ సెడ్ యూ మేడ్ ఎ కెరియర్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ రైట్ సో మీకు అండ్ ఆల్సో యువర్ సిస్టర్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో కాంటెంట్ క్రియేటర్
Yes,
నా
అవును.
అంటే were your parents okay with you doing this or once you started earning money they were like okay this is a career tanu kuda velina okay she'll be safe or they're like akka I mean you're already doing it so you can guide her as to what's working what's not working
So what I can say is Saukya started it first.
okay
I can say, like, she's the OG in Hyderabad, because I was in Europe. She was in Hyderabad. She used to do fashion a lot more than me. I used to
Okay.
travel. I used to be like I used to try everything on the platform. But she was into fashion back then. Once I came back from Europe, I started fashion side. Before that, it was all like messy. I was experimenting with the content.
just going with
Yeah,
the flow
I can say she's the first person, one of the first person to start
Yeah.
fashion in Hyderabad. So yeah, I think I got it from her. She guided me. I can say that. Yeah,
nice
that is
so how was your whole parents reaction let's talk about it since both of you are in this field
correct.
వాళ్ళు ఏమంటారు how do they react
So ఇది career ki mundu, it is all messy. I mean, nobody knows what's gonna happen. I was very young back then. I was 18, 19 when I started. So I was just being fun around social media, and it has become a career. So they were okay with it. And whatever I like, end of the day, it matters, right? So they are okay with me being into this career. Yeah.
Interesting. So yeah, you have such a fun, nice, supportive parents and atmosphere at home, which makes all the difference. How was the equation between you both sisters?
It's actually nice. So for us, it's very easy, to create content. I'll help her. She'll help me record the videos and all of that. So that's how we help each other and guide each other. And that's really a positive side. When, two content creators are in the
Yeah.
same house, we get more help from each other, right? So yeah, it's very
So,
helpful.
Just curious, మీ ఇద్దరి ఏజ్ గ్యాప్ ఎంత because me and my sister we are like 1.5 years apart and we almost grew up as friends
She's like 4 years elder to me.
but still you're like friends.
Oh yeah, we do. I mean, like, we are more like friends rather than sisters.
I think having two girls at the home will give you that atmosphere.
I mean,
right?
she
And-
was that rebel kid, who started the path, and I was
Ah.
following the path. It was easy for me. She was the one to, fight with parents. It's okay. I
Convince
want to
them,
do this
huh?
and all of that. I was just, it's like a cakewalk for me. Okay, now I need not, convince my parents to do all of this. She was already been a rebel kid, fought with parents, and she created that path for me. Yeah.
Nice, interesting. So, యూ మేక్ కాంటెంట్ లైక్ యూ సెడ్ మీరు ట్రావెల్తో స్టార్ట్ చేశారు,
అవును.
దెన్ లైఫ్ స్టైల్, దెన్ ఫ్యాషన్, ఆల్ ద
Yeah.
థింగ్స్. ఇప్పుడు నవ్ ఇఫ్ యూ విల్ గో బ్యాక్ అండ్
Mhm.
లుక్ ఎట్ యువర్ కెరియర్ యాజ్ హౌ యూ స్టార్టెడ్, ఏది ఫస్ట్ చేసేవాళ్ళు or దేనికి ఎక్కువ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఇచ్చేవాళ్ళు?
సో నేను స్టార్ట్ చేసింది కూడా ఫ్యాషన్తోనే.
Hmm.
అంటే ఐ యూస్ టు పోస్ట్ వీడియోస్ కాదు కానీ ఫొటోస్ అయితే ఐ యూస్ టు పోస్ట్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐ యూస్ టు వేర్.
Hmm.
సో గుడ్ లుకింగ్ పిక్చర్స్ అండ్ యూనో మంచి అవుట్ఫిట్ వేసుకుని అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దట్ పీపుల్ లైక్డ్ ఇట్. అండ్ దెన్ ఐ యూస్ టు డూ మల్టిపుల్ థింగ్స్ ఆల్సో.
Hmm.
ఇప్పుడు అడిగితే ఐ యూస్ టు స్టార్ట్ విత్ ఐ వాంట్ టు స్టార్ట్ విత్ ఫ్యాషన్.
Fashion any day.
ఎనీ డే విత్ ఫ్యాషన్.
Nice.
అంటే చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఐ న్యూ
Hmm.
I mean, I can't do this 9 to 5 jobs. I want to do something in the creative field and all of
Mm.
that. And somehow, you know, it took me there without
Divine
knowing.
intervention.
Yeah, true that.
సో నవ్ దట్ చిన్నప్పుడు అన్నారు కాబట్టి వేర్ యూ ఆల్వేస్ లైక్ దిస్, అంటే కొంతమంది ఐ నో మై స్కూల్ ఆల్సో దే యూస్ టు డ్రెస్ అప్ సో పర్ఫెక్ట్లీ ఇన్ ద యూనిఫామ్, స్కూల్ యూనిఫామ్లో
Okay.
కూడా దే యూస్ టు టేక్ కేర్కి డ్రెస్ ఇలా ఉండాలి, ఇట్ షుడ్ ఫిట్ హియర్,
Oh.
అది ఇక్కడ వరకు రావాలి. దే యూస్ టు లుక్ ఆల్ ప్రెటీ ఇన్ యూనిఫామ్స్, ఇమాజిన్ దట్. సో
No, I'm not that person. No, not at all. My sock, you know, one used to be down. కింద వైట్ షూ ఉంటే మొత్తం డర్టీగా ఉండడం,
Huh.
స్కర్ట్ మొత్తం మెస్సీ. ఐ వాజ్ ఇంటూ స్పోర్ట్స్ అ లాట్.
ఓకే, మేక్
చిన్నప్పుడు
సెన్స్.
అంతా యా స్పోర్ట్స్
Hmm.
సెక్రటరీ ఆన్ ద స్పోర్ట్స్ సైడ్స్.
Hmm.
క్లాస్ రూమ్ కన్నా గ్రౌండ్ లో ఎక్కువ ఉండేదాన్ని నేను. సో
సో
అంత మెస్సీ పర్సన్.
సో స్పోర్ట్స్ పర్సన్స్, ఐ మీన్ కామన్ myth or interpretation across is they don't care about how they look, they're
Yeah,
more
true.
oriented ki idi cheyali, this goal. So how did you, being a sports person as a kid when studying,
యా
become this?
I don't know. I think it's with time.
Hmm.
Till my 10th standard, I think I was very a mess person. అంటే అంత గ్రూమ్గా కూడా ఏం లేను. ఆఫ్టర్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ when I went to Europe, I don't know, I found that it's very fascinating to me to get ready or, you know, to wear something nice. And I want to experiment on fashion. It's not
Hmm.
that, okay, deskundaam, it's nice ani kaada. I like experimenting things a lot. So that's how it was interesting for me and that's how it grew.
Nice.
Yeah.
So now that we were talking about school studies, how were you as a student? How was Hasini? Was she a nerd? Was she always outside skipping classes?
As I told you, I was in the
Always
grounds.
outside in the ground.
ఎప్పుడు గ్రౌండ్ లోనే, నాట్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్ రూమ్. ఐ వాజ్ అన్ యావరేజ్, అబౌవ్ యావరేజ్ స్టూడెంట్, నాట్ లైక్ ఎ టాపర్.
Hmm.
Yeah, my grades also got upgraded because I was a sports person.
Okay.
Yeah, so ante not a, I mean, I used to study well but
Hmm.
not like a topper thing. Yeah,
Just
just
enough.
above
కావాల్సిన-
average. Yeah, కావాల్సినంత. That's it.
Nice. So, Hasini, again, if we rewind back and go to our present situation, the
Yeah.
brands, collaborations, creator economy, we can also consider you the OG creator along with your sister, of course.
Yeah.
So, like I was saying, you chose this path without even realizing you would becoming influencer.
True.
సో ఇప్పటికీ ఆ చేంజ్ ఎలా ఉండింది? యూ హ్యావ్ సీన్ వెన్ ద ఇండస్ట్రీ వాజ్ నథింగ్, యూ హ్యావ్ సీన్ వెన్ ద ఇండస్ట్రీ ఈస్ బూమింగ్, అండ్ ఇన్ ద కరెంట్ ఫేజ్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అడ్జస్టింగ్. సో హౌ డు యూ సీ, హౌ డు యూ పర్సీవ్ దిస్ హోల్ థింగ్ ఇస్?
I don't know. End of the day, I don't know how it's gonna last or, you know, where it's gonna go. But
Mhm.
still, I'm in that path because it's going in the flow. I'm also going with the flow. It is all nice. I mean, I was very young at that stage, right? I was not looking for money back then. It was just with the passion it went, and now I'm, you know, earning out of it.
Yeah.
So I don't know. It's nothing overwhelming for me or nothing like that. It's just going with the flow, and I'm just following that path. Let's see where it goes. That's it. Nothing.
సో మీరు బ్రాండ్ కొలాబరేషన్స్ కూడా యూ హ్యావ్ డన్ యువర్ ఫేర్ షేర్ ఆఫ్ బ్రాండ్ కొలాబరేషన్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఇన్, అంటే చాలా ఆర్గానిక్గా దాన్ని మీ కాంటెంట్లో పెట్టడం. హౌ డిడ్ యూ లెర్న్ దట్, ఆర్ వాజ్ ఇట్ త్రూ హార్ష్ క్రిటిసిజం, ఆర్ వాజ్ ఇట్ యువర్ ఫియర్కి ఫాలోవర్స్కి తెలిసిపోతుందేమో? డిడ్ యూ ఎవర్ హ్యావ్ దట్ థాట్?
I mean, some of them are really very evident too. And we can't help because, see, we are giving so much time to that platform. We are
Hmm.
creating content is because obviously we're getting money out of it. And sometimes I think it's needed, right? The
Hmm.
brand collaborations. I can't just keep posting random stuff
Yeah.
on Instagram. So I think it's fine if they know, you know, some of them are like brand collaborations. And I do brand collaborations where, you know, they're good enough, like good brands, not like anything or everything like that. So atla a quality of brands, even people are, you know, curious to know, to see.
Yeah.
it's something new for them,
Hmm.
or something they want to wear next time. I think that way it's organic, because people usually follow me for some fashion tips,
Discovering new
yeah,
things.
discovering new things, or maybe few outfits they want to wear for the
Hmm.
wedding or birthdays or whatever it is. So they do follow for that content, so that's how it merged in. Yeah.
But also I think your followers generally అంటే ఇంత లాంగ్ జర్నీ అది చూసినప్పుడు they've seen you from scratch when you were 1,000-1,500 followers to
Yeah.
what you are now.
Yeah.
So I think they also take a certain pride in seeing you doing collaborations, like ఇంత కష్టపడ్డారు, you deserve it. Did you get that kind of love and support which you did not expect them?
Yes, I did get that, and I got criticism as well.
Huh.
అంటే ఏంటి బ్రాండ్ కొలాబరేషన్స్ అయినా, అంటే you're doing this for the money అంటే yeah, of
Of
course
course.
I'm doing this for money, and also with a passion I'm doing it.
Hmm.
And I got lots of appreciation from family, friends, and a lot of other audience. I mean, people come to me and be like, yeah, you're Hasni, right? And I was
Yeah.
like, yeah, and I really like your fashion sense. I've seen teenage girls coming to me and telling me I
Hmm.
like your fashion sense. The Zara bag I was carrying to
Hmm.
Europe last year Europe trip lo.
Water.
Yeah, water please.
Zara bag.
Yeah, Zara bag. So I was carrying this Zara bag to my Europe trip last year. It went like crazy. Like everybody started asking me, where is it from?
Hmm.
And they want to get it. And I think they got lots of sale after that. I mean, I don't say it's just because of me, but a lot of my followers got it.
Hmm.
I mean, like, it's like something nice. I was carrying it for 26 days with me, and people are like, okay, that's really nice. I mean, it goes with every outfit.
Hmm.
It's a brown bag. So everybody was very curious to know. And I think most of my followers got that bag. So yeah.
Nice. So that's actually gives you a sense of satisfaction.
Yeah.
When-
Somewhere I'm inspiring people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So one more thing I was curious about Hasani. Like you said, Miro ko bag, you carried it and your followers wanted to do that. And majority being Gen Z. But so
Yeah.
recently the word Gen Z and Gen Alpha scares me.
Scares me too. Yeah.
Because I don't know what's happening in their mind. వాళ్ళ ఫ్యాషన్ సెన్స్ ఏంటో అర్థం కాదు, వాళ్ళు దేనికి ఎక్సైట్ అవుతారో దేనికి కాదో తెలీదు. సో ఫర్ యూ టు స్టే రిలవెంట్ ఎస్పెషలీ ఇన్ ద ఫ్యాషన్ ఫీల్డ్, హౌ డూ యూ డూ ఇట్?
I don't know, because nobody can decode Gen Z.
Yeah.
Right? So we just have to do what we are doing. Gante, whatever they attractive, I think they'll come. Then they're not even constant. I don't think, something they'll find attractive today, they won't find it attractive tomorrow.
I know they're fit.
Yeah, very
Like,
quick
very
about
quick, huh?
things. Yeah, so I don't know how to decode that. I'm
So-
just doing my way. Yeah.
So you're just kind of experimenting వీళ్ళకి ఏం నచ్చుతుంది and you're just being authentic self and
I'm being authentic self, because whatever I like, I can't, grasp a trend.
yeah.
If I like it, I'm on it.
Hmm.
Otherwise, no, I don't do. So yeah, it's just me. If I like it, I'll do it. Otherwise, I
Yeah,
just,
but-
if somebody is doing something, I don't want to get into that just because they're doing it.
Hmm.
So
But your Zara bag thing proved that you're it gave you validation from the Gen Z audience.
yes, it did.
Congratulations.
Thanks for that. Yeah.
సో ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం మాట్లాడిందంతా యూ మేడ్ ఇట్ సీమ్ లైక్ అ కేక్ వాక్. నేను
Hmm.
యూరోప్ లో చదువుతుండే
No,
ఐ
no,
స్టార్టెడ్
no.
దిస్, బట్
Not
ఆఫ్
at
కోర్స్
all,
ఇట్స్
no.
నాట్.
No.
There'll be a lots of ups and downs that you see in the
Yeah.
journey. So ఎప్పుడైనా పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైంలో did you maybe regret is a strong word, but maybe you've thought of your decision, why did I even come into this, ఏం చేస్తున్నాను, what am I getting out of it,
Correct. So I didn't regret about it or something, but sometimes brands are creative freedom ever.
yeah.
They want the video to be a structured video. ఇదే చేయాలి, నాకు ఇదే కావాలి అంటే, then I'm like, అంటే ఎందుకు, we are doing something because we are here for some reason, right? I think they should leave that creative freedom to the creator.
Creator freedom for the creators.
Yeah, because they don't. It's
Yeah,
like
yeah. I've seen it.
ఇలానే చెయ్యి,
Hmm.
ఇలానే ఫ్రేమ్ పెట్టు, ఇలానే చెప్పు డైలాగ్,
Yeah, yeah.
ఇలానే చెయ్యి. So I don't think that is relevant.
ఈ పేస్ లో చెప్పు,
ఈ
ఈ పేస్
pace-
చూసి చెప్పు.
Yeah, they even
I've seen
ask
that.
for background approvals, outfit approvals.
Yeah.
I'm like, why? Because we already here because of something, right?
Hmm.
I think we can take care of that.
And they came to you for a purpose because they like your content.
Yeah, correct. కానీ అలా ఉండదు, ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్ ఉంటుంది
Hmm.
వాళ్ళకి. Yeah. So there I was like, why? Otherwise, it's nothing that.
So since we are talking about the journey, one, high moment, one very low moment in your journey.
High moment, I don't know. It all went with a pace.
And it
High
could be
as in,
as little as a brand recognizing you, or maybe the first time somebody recognized you in public and
oh
clicked a
yeah,
pic.
that is there. So
Yeah.
I got the good recognition in Hyderabad, or you know, audience wise. Somebody comes to me and be like, I told you, hey, you're Hasni kada, no Hasni kada. I like your fashion. I mean, it gives me that, you know, satisfaction that, you know, I'm doing something in life. Like I'm inspiring someone in some way. So yeah, that gives me a little high. Lows, as in, I don't know, lots of, I don't say my profile, but social media is little
Yeah.
toxic these
Yeah.
days, right? So whenever I see that toxic stuff over social media, I feel a little bad. Like, wow, what am I even doing in this platform? Like, why
Why am I here?
why am I here and all of that? But yeah, it's going on. End of the day, it's
Life has to
life
go
has to go on. Yeah.
So, criticism, haters,
Hmm.
negative comments. Of course, you've had your experience. Anybody that puts them out there in the public platform will get rendu. You
Yeah.
get the love, you'll get the hate.
Oh no.
So, how do you kind of balance it and say, love, I'll take it, hate, if it is constructive, I'll take it, if not, no. So, how do you kind of balance that?
So as you said, if it's relevant, I'll take it. I mean, I didn't get lots of hate. I mean, the hate comments or hate thing I didn't get, but DM sometimes I used to. Not even hate thing. It's very, you know, some people just, you know, comment on your body or whatever it is. Those things I got, but I just ignored. Because it's a fake account, we don't even know who that person is, why they are sending it and all of that.
Yeah.
But then nothing, I didn't get any hate or such. But seeing,
Touch
you know,
wood.
yeah, touch wood. Yes. But seeing people who's getting hate, I don't know, somewhere it feels very bad. I mean, you can put your perspective there, but not in a, you know, criticizing way. As I said,
Yeah.
the social media is toxic
It's
in
toxic.
that way. But yeah,
Agreed.
it's you have to ignore and move on. We can't help.
Agreed. Again, I'm jumping between topics.
Done. No issues. Yes, I'm
But-
loving this. Yeah.
You said మీరు యూరోప్ లో ఉన్నారని కదా.
Oh no.
Was that when you met Pooja Vegesna?
Yeah, we used to stay together.
Nice. So we had her previously in the last episode.
Okay.
And yeah, she was talking pretty good about Europe and the Vilnius. That city she
So
stayed
she
at,
was doing her psychology there, and I was doing my BBM there. Anamata. First, tanu వెళ్ళింది. తర్వాత నేను వెళ్ళాను. But I got to stay only for a month there.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, not month. Sorry, 1 year there.
1 year, okay.
I got to stay for a year there. She was there for 3-4 years. I had to come back due to some family emergency and all of that happened. So I had to come back. She stayed there, and we had lots of fun in that 1 year. We went to Paris, like as we are 18-19 years old teenagers. Went to Europe, and we've been to Paris. It's
Paris,
like
yeah.
a dream
I know.
for girls.
It's still
right?
a dream for me though, but
Yeah. And we don't even know like how to go. అక్కడ వెళ్ళి మెట్రోస్ అవన్నీ ఎక్కాలి. We don't have any idea. అప్పట్లో we don't even have like Google Maps and all of
the
that.
physical maps and directions boards.
Directions boards అవన్నీ ఉండేవి. And friends who went there, we used to ask them like what to do, and we used all the public transports. We went to Eiffel Tower and we were like, wow.
Bucket list.
Bucket list checked. Because we were very young appudu. It was very fun. So that 1 year
It's a
was fun.
nice age to be in the Paris.
Yeah,
and-
true.
Yeah.
And we didn't even know the ఏమంటారు that thing. Okay, మనం ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాం Paris, and we were just enjoying that phase. Oh wow, Paris, we are in Paris, and so exciting.
Nice. Yeah, what do you do for fun?
So I do lots of things for fun. I mean, whatever you see on my Instagram page, it's totally not me. So outside, I'm very fun loving person. I'm into art. I do random things. I learn barista for no reason.
Oh,
Yeah, I do.
nice.
I learn different things. I learn shooting and all of that. I'm like, I want to learn a lot of things in life other than this. Just for the, you know, that I know I have this skill kind of thing. And I want to explore myself more, like what I like in life and all of that. So I do lots of things. I go to coffee shops. I like tasting different kinds of coffees.
So
and
how
I
is
like
this
that.
coffee?
This is a mission coffee, right? Yeah. No, you did that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
So no.
It's nice.
Okay, okay.
I mean, I'm not into milk coffee person. I'm more into pour overs, brewing, cold brews, and all of that. Yeah, the
Got it.
other side of coffee, filter coffees. I like.
Filter coffee is loud.
Yeah. So yeah,
So even I'm a coffee person.
and
so-
I do travel a lot. You're a
Yeah.
coffee person.
Yeah.
Sorry for
No,
coming
no, no,
between,
no.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Whenever I'm upset, my team gets me a coffee. They're like, Priya, please have coffee.
Oh, nice caffeine intake.
Yes.
Nice.
Much needed.
Much needed. Yeah.
So, yeah, traveling.
Yeah, for fun, I love traveling. I mean, to abroad or maybe in India, anywhere. I love exploring things. For my birthday last time, I mean, in the October, I went on a solo trip just
Mm.
like that to Panchgani, and I learned like rock dokra art, like how to do it, how to make
Okay.
it, and how they make it, how they survive, and all of that.
Mm.
And then I stayed for 2-3 days, and then I came back. I like doing such things for fun.
So, what was your favorite travel destination that you always keep going back to?
Bali.
Bali.
Bali is my favorite place, and here in India I like Kashmir, Srinagar, and also I like Kutch.
Okay.
Kutch is like
so, all
my most
cool,
favorite place.
calm,
Yeah,
serene places.
serene places. Yes, yeah.
So, you said chala hobbies you pick up, you master, and then you move on to the next hobby.
Yeah.
And why don't we see that in your social media?
I do, but I don't post everything. I
Hmm.
mean, I don't know. For some reason, I like my personal life to be really to be myself.
Trying
Not-
to draw the line.
yeah, trying to draw the line because I don't know. I don't want to put everything out there in the platform.
Hmm.
So that's why.
So, Ila, when they find out a little bit of discouragement, oh, I didn't know Hasini does that.
Yeah. And also you don't see my family or friends much on my
Yeah.
Instagram account because I don't know. I feel like they're my people. I just keep them to myself more.
But yeah, we see a lot of handloom stuff on your Instagram.
Yeah.
Your love for handlooms is very evident. So, any particular reason or
I don't know. Since I was a kid, I used to like the materials and all of that. Chaineta valu, charu exhibition outundi, and I used to be very excited about all of these things. I wanted to do a series on handlooms. So I went to Pochimpalli, Gadwal, and Sirsilla, all these
Hmm.
places, and I wanted to know more about it. Wala community, Elli, how they live, what they do, how they weave, and all of that. And I even picturized it and kept it on my social media as well, and it got good reach.
Hmm.
And it's very fascinating for me to go more about it, know more about it. So I want to go to AP. If not, I want to go to all the other states in India, and I want to know more about the fabrics and all of that. Yeah.
Nice. So, it's not just the on the face fashion, e-dress bond, yani you want to go beyond it,
Beyond
see how
it,
it
yeah.
happens.
So I'm more into like why people are not using handlooms.
Hmm.
As even as a Western fabric, we use.
I think they are
uh,
making a comeback, no?
I don't know. I mean, they tried, but I
Huh.
think again they had some lag in between, and now they are stopped. So I just want to know like why they're not using the fabric and all of that, because it's very nice, it's very comfortable, it's very organic, sustainable, and all of that. Still, they don't have market for it. So I want to know like why
Why?
is the reason? Yeah.
So, you're going to the root cause.
Yes. Not the root cause, but I'm very curious to know like how they do what they do and all of that.
Nice, interesting. So, in this content,
Can I show this?
it's a good glass. You can.
Yeah. చాలా మాట్లాడుతున్నా for 1 week I'm talking so much.
Hope you're enjoying. Chapter.
Yeah.
I
అవునా?
know. She just keeps on talking.
Oh, nice.
You just saw a glimpse.
I think we should keep meeting. I love it. I mean, I'm an extrovert with people, I
Selective
interact more.
extrovert.
Selective అని కాదు. It takes some time for me. At least easy ఒక 10 days అయినా పడుతుంది. After that, I'll get like proper person.
10 days is okay.
Yeah. 10
కొంత-
days.
కొన్ని-
But every day,
Hmm.
if you meet for 10 days, interaction బాగుంటే, then I think I'll open up better.
Noted.
Yeah.
So, we were discussing about handlooms here and your love for handlooms. and and the
Handlooms
series
and,
that you
yeah.
started. And so, Content lo,
Hmm.
did you start any content because you love it? It's your passion project laga idi cheddaamu ani.
It's yeah.
Of course, this is one.
Yeah, this is the one. It's for the handlooms.
Okay,
spa.
అలాంటివి anything that you picked up and audience didn't receive it well. అలాంటివి ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయి examples?
Not really. I mean, I've done outfit videos and all of that.
Hmm.
They have taken it pretty much nice. And handlooms, I think it buzzed out.
Hmm.
It was a really good reach
Yeah,
for
yeah.
the handlooms part. So I always wanted to do it. So yeah, and also it's nothing. It's not like I'm going to this place and shooting it, kada.
Hmm.
But then if I want to go to Gadwal, and it takes 3 hours for me to go there and
Yeah.
find someone there who who's ready to give me the content.
Hmm.
చాలా మంది అయ్యో లేదు ఐమ్
వద్దు,
కెమెరా
camera
షై
వద్దు.
వద్దు అంటారు. సో ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఎవ్రీడే ఒక రోజు మొత్తం అక్కడ కూర్చొని చేయాలి. సో దట్స్ వై ఇట్స్ గెటింగ్ డిలేడ్.
But yeah,
Should
that's
find
that
more
type of
contacts.
commitment I think very few people have for content.
That is only for handlooms. I wanted to do it. Yeah, that's why I said always wanted to do handlooms, and then I'm okay doing it also. One day, 2 days, I just want to go there and spend my time with them and know more about it.
Nice. So now you said content ideas, koni మీ passion projects, koni మీకు interest ఉన్నవి, you do
Yeah.
all that. So మీ audience or మీ followers నుండి కూడా do you ask anything like what do you want to know or
Yeah.
what should I make content about?
Yes, I do ask them. So a lot of people wanted to know like my hair care routine, skincare routine, like how do I groom myself and all of that. And I keep telling them in Q&A most of the time, ledu ante I'll make videos for them and post it on my account and all of that. Inka they keep asking me, some college going outfits em eskochu. So yeah, I think these are cute questions. I keep getting it, and then yeah, I do content for them as well.
Nice. So that's a quick hack కదా మీకు when you are exhausted, when you don't know what to do content, when you're
Yeah.
exhausted, then like okay, this is one interesting thing I can make
Yes,
content
so
about
if
it.
I post a Q&A, lots of
Hmm.
people will come with the needs they have.
Yeah.
Ela kavali, ela undali and all of that. Then I'll get an idea. Oh, okay, now I can do a content based out of this, and then I'll do that.
Nice. So
Yeah.
because followers గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాం కాబట్టి your followers are very crucial in your growth.
Yes.
కొంతమంది లైక్ ఐ సెడ్ బిఫోర్ మీ స్టార్టింగ్ స్టేజెస్ నుండి ఇప్పటి వరకు చూసిన వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు అండ్ హు ఆర్ స్టిల్ ఫాలోయింగ్ యూ, హూ టేక్ యువర్ అడ్వైజెస్ సీరియస్లీ, హూ బై Zara bags based on what they saw.
Yeah.
So how do you perceive this so much love from strangers? మీరు వాళ్ళని ఎప్పుడు లైవ్ లో కలవలేదు, వాళ్ళు మిమ్మల్ని కలవలేదు,
Yeah.
and it's not even possible. I mean, maybe not, you might meet them. So they're practically strangers to you, but connected over the content that you make.
Yes.
So how does this unexpected, no questions asked love?
I don't know. I don't know how to take that love, and I'm very glad and I'm very honored to them, and thank you so much for all the love and support. I really don't know how to express that. I'm a very bad person in expressing things and all of that. As I said, I'm an introvert.
Yeah.
I also, I keep posting stories for, letting them know like how much I love and respect them. So thank you so much. And I take it as a, very good and positive thing from them. Yeah.
So any cute follower moment that you had other than this selfie things?
Mostly the selfie things only. I don't. My brain is not braining now. So yeah, lots of things happen, but I don't know which one to pick. One of the follower got me flowers. One of the follower got me these cute plant tottil untai kada. She got it for me and says she never met me. Just randomly she's like, "This is for you. I admire you so much," and all of that. I was like, it was very nice to get such gifts or such love from them.
I know.
Yeah.
నాకు తెలిసిన వాళ్ళే ఫ్లవర్స్ ఇవ్వరు.
ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇవ్వలేదు ఇప్పటి వరకు, బట్ యా దే డిడ్.
I know.
Yes. Yeah, her friends note it down, huh? Yeah.
Yeah. So now flowers and all aesthetic stuff. So very, very lovely. All your
Oh yeah.
I'm trying to recall that dialogue. I forgot. Wow. That auntie who shows this brand,
just looking like
Just
a
looking like a wow. What is
Yeah.
that?
So beautiful.
So
Ah,
beautiful.
yes,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah.
I'll just do it again.
Done.
Act surprised, please.
Yes. BTS.
Yeah. So
There's a lot of videos.
in this one.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, roses and your style especially, it's like
So beautiful.
so beautiful.
I got it.
Yeah, let's
Okay,
skip it. Just
again.
looking like a wow, right? So how do you maintain the aesthetics? Me dantlo, especially for a fashion creator. Aesthetics is everything.
Yeah.
Random ga ekado undi you can't shoot it. Everything should be in order, perfect to
Yes.
grab their attention.
Yes.
So how do you make sure that all your videos have that same quality, same aestheticness?
So it's all about your perspective, I feel. Whatever your taste or whatever your aesthetics you want it to be, it's all you again.
Yeah.
Your taste. Obviously, when you're creating something or the background, it's all you again. In the background, like the colors you pick or the shots you take, it's all your direction and your vision. End of the day. So that's what I do. Whenever I do something or create something, I create few shots in my head and then I try to implement those shots. So that's how I'm planning all my content, and it's coming out aesthetically, and touch wood, it's working out. Yeah.
So basically, you do everything. Team, if ever you never
So,
tried.
yeah, I did try one of the agencies before 2-3 years back, but then it didn't work out. So all these 3 years I was doing it all by myself and all of that. But recently I joined a new agency, and touch wood
Again.
again, it was little less hectic for me. అంటే బ్రాండ్ కాల్స్ కానీ కోఆర్డినేషన్ పేమెంట్స్ ఇన్వాయిసెస్ అండ్
Yeah.
ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దాట్ వాస్ కట్. కొంచెం పీస్ ఇన్ లైఫ్ ఐ గాట్ అనమాట. సో
Just
yeah,
shots, aestheticness, content.
yeah, content, little bit of concentration on this, little
Nice.
less pressure. Yeah.
So brand collaborations, how do you choose which brands? Of course, me content to suit ayyedi and which your audience will appreciate. Random ga you can't talk about some brand that don't align with your audience interests.
Correct.
So what are those 3-4 checkpoints that you have when you say yes to a brand?
So checkpoints, I want it to match my style, my aesthetics.
A
First
brand
thing.
not being too rigid.
Flashy and all of that. Yeah, and also fashion wise, yeah, matching my style. Konni skincare and all of those brands, I want to try it because we can't, suggest audience like without knowing what it is, right? Randomly. So I'll be very picky on that. So I just don't want to do every or any brand. I want to try and see, or otherwise I want to know that it's a good brand, and then I pick that brand. Otherwise, no. And then no alcohol brands and no betting apps.
Yeah.
No, a big no. Whenever they come to me, I'm like, no, I'm not working with
Don't
alcohol.
even come.
Yeah, don't even come. Because I don't want to influence in a wrong way. See,
Yeah.
again, outfits and all of this, it's a different category, right? All of this is again a wrong influence on people. So I just don't want to do. Yeah.
Smart choice.
Yes, true.
So, yeah, when you're picking a brand and doing it in a certain style, ఏదైనా బ్రాండ్తో, of course, a controversial question.
Okay.
ఏదైనా brand that didn't match with your ethos or was not aligning and was a lot of back and forth happening.
Yeah, I did, but I can't reveal the brand.
Yeah, don't reveal the brand. Just take us through the experience.
Yeah, it was, as I said, they
Hmm.
want it to be so structured. They want to, want me to sit in such position. Don't want to move or something. అంటే whatever it's written in the script, they just want me to let it out. అంతే. అక్కడ ఏది ఇచ్చారో అదే చెయ్యంటే I'm not a robot to do that, right? Obviously, AI ని పెట్టి చేయండి. I'm a creator. I can't do that. So I think I left the campaign. I didn't even work for them. I'm like, no, I am not gonna do this.
Yeah, so I brought this up because creators also put up so much of their time and heart in creating content
Yeah.
and reaching a stage where they attract brands.
Correct.
So it's a two-way deal between you and a brand. They
Yeah.
should respect you, you should understand
Yes,
them.
true.
So I want to get that point across. And okay, this question.
Yes, got it.
Yeah.
So yeah, we understand certain things untai. They want few highlighted parts. That we'll do. But not the entire thing, right?
Yeah.
It should be on the both side and it should be balanced.
Yeah.
your style has to be there, and your as a person you have to be there in the video. It's not that okay ilaane cheyali ide cheyali ante no, it doesn't happen like that. It doesn't happen that way. Yeah.
ఇంకొకటి ఇందాక మీరు చెప్పినప్పుడు యూ సెడ్ బ్యూటీ స్కిన్ కేర్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో అ కామన్ మిస్కన్సెప్షన్ ఈవెన్ ఐ హ్యాడ్ ఇట్.
What is that?
బ్యూటీ క్రియేటర్స్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వాళ్ళకి ఏదైనా పిఆర్ కిట్ వస్తే కొంచెం ఇలా చేతుల మీద పెట్టి చేసి ఇట్స్ వర్కింగ్.
Yeah, that's true, they do that. అదే దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ వీ షుడెంట్ డూ. అంటే ఏదో ర్యాండమ్ గా వచ్చింది కదా అని యూ కాంట్ షో ఇట్ టు ద పీపుల్, రైట్? వాట్ ఇఫ్ దే యూజ్ అండ్ ఇట్ డజంట్ సూట్ దెమ్, ఆర్ we never know, so I don't want to risk that. No.
So you actually use the products they give you and try, test it, and then post about it?
Yes, I do. I mean, yeah, I use them at least for 1-2 days at least. If I don't have any allergic reactions or something, then I don't mind endorsing it. Yeah.
Nice. That's a very good assurance that we
Yes.
So these brand collaborations that you do and the regular content, if we jump back to numbers, the insights and all is very different.
Yeah.
So what type of insights you generally see? Ante views chustara, comments chustara, or shares? What is it that you give more value to?
So first thing is, whenever we do a brand collaboration or whenever we do the content, all people see or the brand sees your quality of content. Not the numbers, first place. And nextly, I think what is the traction you're getting around it. It's not about the views or something. How much ever views you get, how much the content is reaching them. Is it valuable or it's just the regular video? That's what I think it all matters again. Yeah.
So వీటిలో ఏ metrics మీరు ఎక్కువ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఇస్తారు? అంటే when you post a content and see the metrics, and how do you judge that this worked well, this my audience did not like?
I think shares and saves. Shares and saves.
That speaks.
Yeah. That works.
Somebody saying, hey, Hasini indulo bagundi chudu, I want this dress.
Yeah. So saves and shares lo, I think people save the video because they want to rewatch it.
Yeah.
అందులో ఏదో నచ్చి దే సేవ్డ్ ఇట్ అండ్ దే వాంట్ టు రీవాచ్ ఇట్ ఆర్ గో బ్యాక్ దేర్ అండ్ సీ వాట్ షీస్ వేరింగ్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ షీ ట్యాగ్డ్ ఆన్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దట్. సో ఐ థింక్ దట్స్ వేర్ ఇట్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. యా.
Nice. Interesting. So now that all the heavy business talk is done, so team has prepared a fun game for you.
Okay.
Fashion rapid fire.
Okay.
I'll just tell 2 things. You have to choose which one you would pick any day.
Okay, what if it's neutral?
No, it has to give Hasini.
Okay, done.
What would Hasini do?
Done.
So, ready?
Yes.
Sneakers or heels?
I would say flats. Sneakers, yeah.
Okay. Bold colors or neutral tones?
Neutral
I think
tones.
we know this. Huh?
Yeah.
Vintage finds or brand new trends?
Vintage finds, any day.
Handlooms.
Handlooms, yeah.
Streetwear or haute couture?
I think streetwear.
Runway inspiration or Instagram trends?
Instagram trends. Runway inspiration, sometimes it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, they do it.
Yeah.
No, but they do it for a different purpose.
Yeah, I know.
Online shopping or in-store browsing?
Online shopping.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you can, sleep on the couch and then search for the outfits. But the in-store, I think you should go around, try and all of that, right?
I thought you would more of touch, feel the fabric and then decide.
No, sometimes it is all with the handlooms again. Sometimes the western clothes and all of that, it's all the style, doesn't matter. Any fabric is same. So, yeah.
One fashion item you can't live without?
Fashion item I can't live without. Thinking.
It can be a Zara purse also.
Oh yeah, it's my Zara bag. Yeah.
Favorite Indian designer?
Sabyasachi, any day. Yeah.
Go to fashion accessory for any outfit?
Earrings. Yeah.
If you could swap wardrobes with anyone, who would it be?
There are so many people I want to swap.
Okay, top 3.
Deepika Padukone and Rekha ji. And I think now Aditi Rao Hydari and Sonam Kapoor too. See, I told you there are a lot of people. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, this is an interesting question that they had. So, it talks about your content. Your
Okay.
content is very personal. People, when they look at your content, they know what Hasini would generally like. Tana
Hmm.
style enti, fashion sense enti.
Hmm.
They will understand that.
Hmm.
So, what is that one thing your audience don't know about you?
I don't want them to know.
Maybe you don't mind them knowing.
Okay, so how much of a glam I look? I'm a very normal, simple person. I like my PJs. I like my loose t-shirts. I want to be like that. So mostly in a day, like 6 hours, I'll be all ready and all of that. But after that, I'll just be very comfortable, which
Yeah.
nobody gets to see. Yeah,
And a secret.
and a secret. So I like comfort clothes. I like being comfortable and all of that. Yeah, I like to be glam too, but yeah, maybe for some time.
Balance
Not-
that. Glam should balance the
again
comfort.
The comfort, yeah. Yes.
Nice. So,
I would say that.
yeah, I think that's about it. These were all the questions we had.
Oh, it was easy. I was nervous.
So, yeah, that's about it, Hasini. With this, we have reached the end of S. Dot.
Yeah, it was fun.
Thank you so much. Glad you had fun. Thank you so much for accepting the invite and joining us
Thank
here.
you so much for inviting. I never done a podcast before. I did, but not this fun podcast. I really loved it. Korean heart.
Yeah. So, before we log off, anything you want to tell to your audience, followers? I'll add follow Hasini already. Other than that.
Oh yeah. Thank you so much for all your support, and please keep supporting me. That's all I can say. Yeah.
Thank you, Hasini. Thank you so much.
Thank you.